Hey guys, it is December 2nd and this time we have a Brinks. I think I got them from Sterilock, but I don't remember. I got two of them with the same bidding, so I picked the other one some time ago. I can't remember how long time ago, but it's probably a month or so. Let's see if we can get this open. And I don't remember how I picked the last one, but I remember it wasn't that hard to do. Oh, okay. Well, we are surely starting off with some quite quick videos, which is sort of nice when I make a video a day. 10 minutes a day, well, it's not impossible to find, but hey, 1 minute is easier. Okay, that was quite easy. We have a lot of time, so let's see if we can rake and rock and zip this open just to get a little bit more time to go. Let's see, where's my worm rake? Right there. Doesn't seem like we can rake it. What about zipping with the W rake? Nope. And some rocking, if I can hold on to the pick with the L rake, city rake. I think that would be easier this way. No, that didn't work either. Well, let's make a little bit of noise. No, I think it hits too hard. Let's try the snap gun. I think there was 3 pins set or something like that. And the last one, my homemade snap gun. Nope, didn't work either. So SPPing is quite easy, but everything else not so much. At least not with a quick try. We might get it open with all of it if we use some time on it, but don't want to make the video too long. Alright guys, that's the picking. Let's get this on the tree. Let's put it over there. First 2 locks, guys. 22 more to go. So that's all you get for this 2nd December, guys. So, thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.